morning, everybody. Welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and try new things. My name is Leslie, and I am the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. And today, in honor of it being September, yay, we are going to make this autumn tree using our handprint and some paint. So, in order to make this tree, you will need a few items, and here's what they are. You will need some paint. I'm using red and yellow, and I will mix those two to make orange. You will need a piece of paper onto which to draw your tree. So normally it would be a piece of brown construction paper. However, I am out of brown paper, so I'm just going to use white. You will need another piece of white paper. Well, you'll need a piece of white paper for your background. This is what you're going to glue your tree trunk onto and then do the painting on. You will need something to mix paint on. So I'm using a paper plate, and you will need something to mix paint with, which is, I have this brush right here that I'm using, but you can use anything, anything that's good for mixing. For me, I need a brown crayon because I'm going to use this to color my trunk. You will need a pencil and some glue, scissors, and also something to wipe your hands with when you're done, because we're going to be finger painting. So I've got my wipes here, I've got everything. So grab your stuff, bring it back here, and let's get started. The first thing to do for this particular project is to place your hand and your wrist onto your paper like this, okay? Because your wrist is going to be your tree trunk and your fingers are going to be the branches of the tree. And this might be a little difficult. You might need somebody to help you, but it's also a good practice. So trace your wrist and your hand onto your paper. See, I got mine. Now, because I don't have brown paper, I'm going to color mine brown. You might not need to do that, in which case you can just cut yours out and then be ready to go for the next step. I got everything colored, and now I'm going to cut out my handprint. Now I'm going to glue this onto my paper. So now here comes the super fun part. We are going to put some paint colors onto our plate, or whatever you're using for your palette. I've got red and yellow, like I said before, and I'm gonna add a little more yellow because it looks like I'm running out. And then we are going to do some fun finger painting. So first I'm gonna use the red, I'm gonna dip my finger in it, and then I'm gonna put it all over my paper and these, in case you didn't guess, are our fall colored leaves. And then next I'm going to use my second finger to do the yellow. I'm gonna grab one of my wipes and clean my hand off so that I don't get paint everywhere. Hey my friends, this is our finished product. Nice, beautiful autumn tree. It's got our autumn colors in it, red and orange and yellow. And if you had brown paint, you could do brown leaves. You could add some green in there too. I'm just keeping it simple for this. I love the way this turned out. This is an awesome thing to make and to hang on your fridge or your wall, and a nice way to welcome fall. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining me for this week's Make It Monday. I hope you have an awesome September. I hope you have an awesome week, and I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next time. Bye.